Assalamu alaikum. Hi, everybody. My name is Dr. Najeh Alsalhi. I'm assistant professor in the Department of Education in the Sharjah University, and also my authors in this paper, Dr. Abdellateef Alqawasmi from the Al-Ain University, and also Dr. Noura Nasir Al-Karbi from the University of the Sharjah. The title of this paper is the use of the artificial intelligence application in the university education from the perspective of early childhood program student at the University of the Sharjah. Let me just give a short introduction about this paper. As you know, the artificial intelligence has rapidly transferred many sectors, including the higher educations. Universities are increasingly adopting the artificial intelligence tools to support teaching, learning, and assessment. Understanding student perceptions of artificial intelligence is very essential and important for the effective and ethical integrations. Early childhood education students represent future teachers who will shape artificial intelligence use in the schools. So that this study explored female early childhood program students to use the AI applications in the university educations. And let me give a note that the early childhood program in the Department of Education in the Sharjah University, just registrations, all the students for the female student, there is no male student in this program, so that all the participants in this study related to the female student. The problem of the statement of the problem of this study, while the artificial intelligence is rapidly being integrated into higher education, limited research are examined students' perceptions of the AI use in the university learning context. In particular, there is a lack of study focusing on early child education students who are future teachers. Insufficient understanding of the students' view or perceptions may lead to ineffective method and ethicals of unbalanced use of AI in the educations. Therefore, there is a need to investigate how female early childhood perception students about or regarding of the AI application in the university education. About the objectives of this study, the first objective is to examine the female early childhood program students' perceptions of artificial intelligence applications in the university educations. To identify, also we want to identify the student attitude toward the use of the artificial intelligence in teaching and learning. And the third objective to explore, we need to explore the perceived benefit of AI application in the university context. And the last objectives we want to investigate the challenges and concerns associated with the AI use in higher education. We put as authors in this study, we put the main research question, which is to what extent do early childhood program students at the University of the Sharjah agree with the use of the artificial intelligence applications in university education in terms of their perceived and usefulness, perceived usefulnesses, ease of use, and associated challenges. We use in the methodology, the first thing in the methodology, we want to go to the study design. We use the descriptive, a quantitative research design was used in this study. And the students' perceptions of artificial intelligence applications in the university education. So the design or the approach of this study relate to the descriptive quantitative research. About the participants in this study, the study sample consists of the 172 female students without male student. As I said before, there is no male student registered in this program because this program just for the female student. Participants were enrolled in early childhood program at the University of the Sharjah. The data collection instrument data were collected using the structural questionnaires. The questionnaires examined student perceptions of the AI applications and the university education. It covered dimensions related to the perceived usefulness and ease of the use and the associated challenges. About the validity and reliability, the questionnaire was reviewed by the expert in education and educational technology to ensure content validity, and these experts who have the PhD degree. And we go to the reliability. A pilot study was conducted with the 20 students, which is outside of the participant, which is related to the data analysis, and internal consistency was calculated, and the value of this coefficients of the reliability was 0.802, which is sufficient or indicated acceptable reliability for this study. The data collection procedure, data were collected through the electronic Google Forms, and the participants was voluntary and confidential with informed consents provided. Above the data analysis, we use the SPSS software version 30 to analyze the data of this study, and the authors calculated the mean and the standard deviations were captured, and to examine the teacher responses across the study dimensions, and also for the answer of the main questions in the study. About our result for the main question, which is titled, to what extent do early childhood program students at the University of the Sharjah agree with the use of the artificial intelligence applications in the university educations in terms of their perceived usefulness and ease of the use and the associated challenges. The finding are: the first finding, the finding indicated that the early childhood program students showed a high level agreement with the use of the artificial intelligence applications in the university education, so that the responses for the students is high level. And the second, student reported positive perceptions regarding of the usefulness and ease of the use of the AI tools in the supporting learning. And the last finding, however, the students also expressed the concerns related to the ethical issues, technology dependency, and the needs for the proper training and guidance. And if you look for this table, we can see that this is the category used in data analysis, and to what responses of the student depend on the category of the 5 Likert scale. About the discussion, the finding indicate that the early childhood program students generally hold positive perceptions toward the use of the artificial intelligence in the University of Education, and these results suggested that AI is viewed as the useful and supportive tools for learning and academic performance. At the same time, student concern highlight the importance of the ethical considerations, proper guidance and training when integration of the AI in the educations. And overall, the result emphasizes the need of the balance and responsibility to use AI in higher education, especially in teacher preparations program. And the last thing, which is our recommendations in this paper, we recommended that we must integrate the artificial intelligence literacy in the early childhood teacher education program. Second, providing training and workshop for students on the active and ethical use of AI tools. And the third point, develop clear institution guidelines and policies to regulate AI use in university educations. And the last, recommended encourage the responsible and balanced use of the AI to support learning without over dependency. And thank you for attendance my presentation. And if there is any questions, I'm ready to answer it. Thank you very much.